Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Talk to Me Tuesday. This is a quick little tutorial to go with our free Talk to Me Tuesday Internet Sampler Block of the Month. This pattern is from Quilter's Cash. It's by Marcia Hohn. It's very simple. This one was chosen by Rainy. It has a little Y seam in it, which I know a lot of people are hesitant to try, but this is super easy to piece, and it took me less than 3 minutes to record this video, so I really hope this helps you guys out. We're going to start by clipping right inside the seam allowance for the little turn for the Y seam. So I'm not going to quite clip all the way to the seam allowance. We want to be able to have that caught when we stitch it down. Then I'm going to take a pin, going to find that corner, pop that right through, find the corner on the other side. This is just like joining any unit in paper piecing. And then I'm going to line up the shorter side. We'll get that nice and straight. Sorry about the focus on my camera there. And then we will put a clip. I like to use just a little wonder clip to hold it in place. And then I will pull out that pin and we'll start by just stitching that top line down to where we're going to turn. I like to do a little back stitch here so that I don't have to worry about those stitches spreading when I turn. So I just do like just a couple little back stitches and then I go back to my turn line. And I apologize for my crazy dry skin. It is autumn and that always happens. We're going to turn that corner and then we're going to line up the seam allowance on this side. I'm going to press that little bit out of the way just so that I don't have to worry about it getting in the way of my foot. I'm going to check my alignment on the side and then I'm just going to stitch straight down. Now this did get a little wonky for me as I was sewing down, but as I was doing this for a sample, I just decided to go ahead and leave it. And, you know, I'm not perfect, so I can always rip that out and straighten it out later, but you get the idea. And you can see when I fold this open that it is going to be perfectly flat. And I do like to remove the seam allowance before I press. I find it just much easier to take the paper off later. It makes it nicer to press. And yeah, so very, very easy. Just rip those little pieces off. And I keep a little recycle bin right under my feet. So it's just to the left of me so that I can just knock those right in the recycle bin as I go. I'm going to take this over to my ironing board, give it a nice press, then square it up. And it's going to be 1/4 of this block for the month of November for our Talk to Me Tuesday Internet Sampler quilt along. This is completely free quilt along from blocks all across the internet. And as I said, this block was designed by Marcia Hohn for quilterscash.com. You can find links to this and all of the other blocks that we've chosen so far for this quilt along in the description, or you can find it on talktometuesday.wordpress.com. Happy stitching, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.